Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the channel. Now in today's video we're going to be putting on the red crash bar covers that go inside the grille on the front bumper. Now if this is your first video, you're quite early because this is only part 2 of me modding the BMW. So if you want to be a part of the journey, subscribe. So here are the red crash bar covers, and as you can see they just clip onto the original crash bars at the front. Now I got these off emeraldstruts.com and they do a lot of different mods like automatic boot struts, which I also want to put in this car. They also do things like the sweeping indicators for the mirrors and things like that basically, so yeah. But yeah, I'm going to leave a link in the description for their website. Gonna have to take this sleeve off and unscrew all these bolts so the front bumper can flex. Then we can take these out. Going behind here we can take the kidney grills out and then we can just slot them over. And looking up how to do this, I heard the hardest part was taking out the first kidney grill because you have to go from the top here. As soon as you get the first one out you can use that to get through to the other one, so hopefully it won't be too hard. Yeah, let's get these crash bars on. So here's the first kidney grill. I accidentally snapped a clip off, but it was one of the bottom ones, and I am gonna get black ones as well, so de-chromed ones, so these are only temporary. But off to the second one now. Nice. That was a bit of a struggle, but that's the second one there. So that's it there. All you had to do is take the sleeve off. Take 1, 2, 3, 6 bolts off. Now we got access to the crash bars there. So, time to put the covers in. They should just slot right over, hopefully. So that's the crash bar covers in. I think it looks alright. We'll have to put the kidney grills back on and then have another look and see what it actually looks like. So, got the kidney grills back on. Time to have a final look now. That's what it looks like with the kidney grills back on. Stand a bit further. Now you can't really see in the daytime, but I am going to get some night shots. That looks a lot better in person. And here, like, I don't know, if I just like walk around, they stand out quite a lot. I'm not sure if you can see properly on camera, but they do stand out so much more than the black ones. And I think with the black grille that I'm going to put on soon, they're going to stand out even more. Especially when I put black grills on, probably a splitter here. It's gonna complement the car a lot more. That's what it looks like. I'm not sure if you can see on camera properly, but I think it looks a lot better. So yeah guys, obviously the covers turned out looking quite good. I think it's quite a subtle change, nothing big, but it's quite cheap and it personalises the front a little bit. So I'm quite happy with it. So you guys, stay tuned. Obviously this is only part 2. I am going to be ready to do part 3 hopefully in about 2 weeks time, maybe a bit sooner. Depends on what it is, I'm not sure yet. If you guys got any ideas, drop them down below as well. But yeah guys, if you want to be a part of this car's journey, subscribe and stay tuned for part 3.